What's up, guys? How's it going? AndersCubes is here after a long break. I have been busy with a lot of stuff and school, so sorry I haven't been posting a lot, but yeah, just busy. So here's my 5.94 single that I was super happy about. I hadn't really cubed in a while also because I didn't have too much time, but I cubed for a bit and I got this and I was so happy, especially because my past PB was 6.71, so a 5.94 is just crazy. But anyways, it looks like that's what's happening with a lot of my PBs. They're breaking by like 0.70. But anyways, so here's the Scramble. Scramble will be in the description, and here is what I did. So I got the Scramble, it looks pretty basic. Pieces are here, I did white cross, so here, and here. I didn't do anything special, X cross or anything. I don't even predict first pair yet. So I'm working on that because I know I can average a lot better. I averaged 10 seconds, so 5 is pretty crazy. So what I did is I started off with a D to put it back here. After that, I did an L, F2, rotated, and put in this pair like this. And when I did this, I was keeping track of this pair just after this because I knew when I did this, it wasn't going to change these two. So after that, I go directly into solving these two, breaking them up, and then pairing them into the front. Immediately after I'm doing that, like this, I'm looking at this pair, and I can see that it's going to be the case where you put this one here and then you pair it into the back. So I almost go immediately into this one, and I just cancel into the back. And after this, I'm hoping there's going to be something there for this piece because I don't really see this case actually. I don't really see the white part of it, so I don't know what's there. So I put it into the back. Now I have a diagonal case, which really isn't that good. So I do a Y2 and a U2, and then I put this piece up in front. And in order to break this pair apart, you have to basically take one away from it, and then you can pair them up. And so when I do a U2 and pair these two up, that's exactly what's going to happen. So it's going to pair up to a 3-mover, which I did see. So I put this in here. And I think the reason why it was so fast was because I was able to see all these things, and that really helps in accurate turning. So then these are broken up right here. And right now in my mind, I know that I just solved like everything within 3 seconds. So I'm like, okay, I hope that this is the skip case, right? And I do this AUG, and it just happens to be the skip case. 41 moves, 6.9 TPS, 5.94 seconds. It's just astonishing. And yeah, I hadn't broken it since October, so yeah, that's crazy. Thanks guys so much for staying with me and the channel. I'm really not sure what's gonna continue of it because new school stuff, high school. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being subscribed, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.